Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here, and welcome to the final video in this Fat Loss for Beginners mini video series. Now, I was thinking about, should I spend the next 10-15 minutes explaining to you guys in detail how to actually implement all the strategies that you've learned in the previous 3 videos? Or should I simply show you how to do it? And that's what I decided to do, okay? I want to take all the guesswork out of this. And I know that if you're still watching this video right now, if you've been following the last 3 videos, you are here because you want to take action. You want to kickstart your fat loss properly for the final time. And so instead of wasting your time further, I actually want you to take that action. And so I've decided to give you guys access to one of my premium challenges 100% free. This normally sells for $17, but for the next couple of days, just so that I can make sure I can help as many people kickstart their fat loss properly, I'm going to give you access to this free of charge. And you can come and sign up right now at 6weeksixpack.com/kickstart. Now let me quickly show you what you're going to get as soon as you sign up today. And there's no credit cards, there's no nothing, guys. You can just go and sign up and get started. So once you sign up today, you are going to get access to the 7-day Fat Loss Kickstart membership section. In here, you will be able to sign up for your daily accountability email so that every single day you get an email to remind you to go and do the daily action steps. Now, when you click on that link inside that email, you are going to go to a daily program page, as I call it. There you'll get a daily video where I will tell you exactly what your exercise action steps are, what your healthy eating action steps are, what your motivational action steps are, so that you know exactly what to do. There's no confusion. Then below that video, you will actually see those action steps that you need to take, okay? So you simply click on the link and you will see exactly what your workout is for that specific day, what your eating action step is for that specific day, how to stay motivated for that specific day. And then I also have something really special where every single day I share a success story of someone just like you who have taken action and who have started my 7-day program and who got great results, so that you know it is possible if you push hard and you follow the daily action steps step by step. So guys, if you're sick and tired of always starting over, if you're sick and tired of being in that transformation cycle where you lose weight and then pick up weight, lose weight, pick up weight, if you want to kickstart your fat loss properly, once and for all, and for the final time, come and join this 7-day Fat Loss Kickstart. I'm making it 100% free of charge so that I can help as many of you finally do this correctly. So go to 6weeksixpack.com/kickstart. And the great thing is you don't have to think. You can just sign up and get started and follow that daily action steps. That's all you have to do. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me for this video mini series that was all about fat loss for beginners. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got a lot of great content out of it. But more importantly, I hope you'll take action and kickstart your fat loss properly once and for all today. I will see you in the next one. And remember, like it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends. And keep it simple out there and have fun. Bye-bye.